Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today it's all going to be about custom stickers. So we've got 20 or 25 orders here or so, all custom products, all custom stickers, all products that are advertised across my eBay, Etsy store. Just before we go into that, you might be watching this video because it might be something you're looking to get into, it might be a business you're looking to start, it might be a new side hustle. Best advice I can give is just go for it. Having a sticker business or a print business is extremely lucrative. I'm going to put some more videos out there just to explain why I think you should just go for it, but just think about it. Once you've got your printer, whether that be a Cricut or a BN20 or something more, you've got an infinite amount of stock. You don't have to go and buy stock. You don't need the upfront money. You don't need the costs that are involved with buying stock. The stock that you have is limited by your brain. If you're not overly creative, that's okay. When I started my business, I wasn't that creative, but when you're in it and you live it and you breathe it, you learn it. So I got a printer, I picked up Illustrator, I watched lots of tutorials, I learned so much within the first year, and the aim of this channel is to try and give something back to you. Try and pass on some knowledge, maybe just some inspiration, or maybe just someone to sit and watch while you print your own stickers, print your own t-shirts and start your own business. So let's get it. So as you've seen, I've given you a little snippet of the products that I'm currently doing. So I've probably got over 4,500 products advertised across all the platforms that I possibly can. So we've got eBay, we've got Amazon, we've got Etsy, we've got the website, and we've got some stuff on Facebook as well, which is just starting to take off. But that product there, which you've seen, is really, really simple. So these are actually a bit of a reveal. Mountain bike or MTB, off-road, on-road name stickers. So they're laminated. The customer can obviously go onto the whatever platform they're shopping on, they choose the flag, choose the name, choose the background, and I probably sell somewhere in the region of 500 to 600 of these a week across all of the platforms. So there's a little secret tip for you there. Go for it, try and sell it, advertise it. Let me know how you get on in the comments. So we are just about there with these. Let's go and print. Hi guys, so you've probably seen on the channel already, we've got a small print room, but we don't need any more than that. We've got the BN20 loaded up now, so I use D-tape vinyl. It comes in a 50-metre roll. It costs around £37, which is probably about $48 or something like that. I get a lot of stickers from it. As I say, it's an extremely cost-effective way to do the printing. We also use a matching over laminate, which I'll show you in a minute. So we'll just get the BN20 fired up now and we'll crack on. So I'm just waiting for the printer to print the orders now, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to actually just show you a quick insight into the packaging that I use and just back up myself as to why I say this is such a cost-effective business and you should start it today. You don't have to buy boxes, you don't have to buy packaging, polystyrene, anything like that. What you need is this. And you don't even need this. My chosen products that I use, that I ship stickers worldwide and have zero issues, is Manila A5 cardboard backed envelopes, A4 cardboard backed envelopes, cellophane to put the decals stickers product in, just for that added protection and just a bit of professionalism as well. So stamp, shipping label, and that is literally it. So I would love to put more in the package, and maybe I will one day. business cards, promotional material, free stickers, things like that. Obviously there's a lot of people that put a lot of extra in, a lot fancier packaging, which is great. If I could do that I would, but being a one-person business and sometimes 100, 150 orders a day on average, I just haven't got the time. So I keep it simple and the customers are happy. They get a product that arrives in good condition, and to be honest, I get a lot of good feedback on the packaging. There's a lot of people out there that sell stickers that don't even have a cardboard backed envelope. So literally it couldn't be simpler. What's the products inside the envelope? Take the shipping label. Obviously this will have customer details on, these ones don't, just because I'm giving you a quick insight. Literally straight onto the package, stamp, ink pad, just for that little personal touch, because although I don't include much else within the package itself, sometimes I will run promotions, but fundamentally they are getting a cardboard backed envelope and a label. It's just a little personal touch. This stamp was probably about £14. Always put it in the same place just for the sake of being uniform, just with your company name on, and that's all you need, and that's all I do, and it served me well. And yeah, let me know how you package your stickers, or how you're going to. Let me know your feedback on mine in the comments. And yeah, I will put a new video out in the future. I'll go over all of the packaging stuff in detail, because we've got tubes over there for the larger decals, stickers and prints. We've got other products that we do sell, mats and things like that, so we'll go through all of it in a future video. Guys, the printer's just reading the crop marks. Soon it's going to take the vinyl back in, and these lots of stickers will be ready to cut out. And there we have it, guys. Simple as that. Obviously I've got probably about another 50 of these to do today, but I just did a small batch just so you can see. So we've got here, to give you a quick rundown, so they're sort of a carbon fibre. I don't know if you can really see that, I need to sort the lighting out in here. MTB, mountain bike, road racing bike, name stickers. It's a really good seller. So what you're actually getting here, so this is high quality vinyl. It's got a gloss laminate, so it's going to be scratch proof to a degree, UV resistant. With regards to laminates, personally, I always think you should laminate your stickers, inside or outside. If things are getting really busy and you're doing a lot of stickers which are going to be sort of putting inside, yeah, maybe don't laminate them. They do wear well with no lamination, but I think it's a good practice to laminate them. I mean, you get that glossy finish. I'll try and show you that one more time. These. So they're glossy, they're protected. Customers absolutely love them, and rightly so, because it's a high quality sticker. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. I am still learning with regards